All right, so let's work on question number 1 for today 9-2 review. Now, always start with the given amount, okay? And we're given moles of FeS. I'm gonna write that down, 16 mole FeS, okay? And you're gonna convert moles into mass. Now, if you're, I'll put the extended bubble diagram up so we can reference this as we go along. But let's see, moles into mass. So I'm going to be using this one up here. Okay, so I'll leave it like that. Okay. All right. So first step, gotta convert moles of FeS into moles of Fe. Okay, so we gotta use the mole ratio. And then when you do your mole ratio, it's always gonna be the wanted compound goes on the top. Okay, and the given compound at the bottom. And to kind of double check that, you're like, wait a second, you know, what's wanted, what's given? These two units are always going to be the same. Okay. All right, up next will be your ratio. So, forgot to do this, but you should have balanced the equation first. So let's balance it really quick right now before we plug in our numbers. So if you look at your equation, 8 S's, 1 over here. We're going to put an 8 on the top to balance that out. You put an 8 here, you also mess with the Fe. Then I got to go over on this side and put an 8 on Fe. Okay. And then there's a blank over here, that's just a 1. All right. So these numbers will come from your coefficient in the equation. So I will gotta have 8 Fe, and the bottom, in this case, it will be 8 as well. Okay. Step 3. We are now gonna convert most of Fe into grams of Fe. And this is the molar mass. This is the molar mass of your Fe here. So go to your periodic table, and your molar mass of Fe should be 56 grams per mole. Okay, so on the bottom, this is 1 mole, your default number to cancel out that unit over here. Okay. All right, let's do math. 16 times 8 times 56. That will give you 7,168 on the top. And the bottom number, 8 times 1 is still 8. Okay. And then when you divide these two numbers out, unit cancel. Okay. So 7,168 divided by 8 will give you 896. Okay, all of your unit cancel out. So what's left over is grams of Fe as your final answer.